Hey guys, welcome to my persuasive speech, why everyone can contribute to being eco-friendly. So first off, eco-friendly. What is it? Simply put, the term eco-friendly in a literal sense just means not being harmful to the environment or being earth-friendly by preserving it. How an individual contributes to the cleanliness of the earth is entirely up to them, and there are many ways, from casual to extreme to in between. Some green organizations like Make-A-Wish encourage people to use less paper and just simply recycle more, whereas others recommend eating little to no meat due to the amount of land that livestock takes up while also emitting 65% of human-related nitrous oxide and harmful other greenhouse gases. Both of these examples are vastly different in nature, but both of them are considered being eco-friendly. A big part of supporting the cause of a healthier earth is to find the contribution level that suits you. You don't need to change your whole lifestyle to be earth-friendly because every bit counts. So next up, now that you know what it means to be eco-friendly, you probably are thinking, why should I though? For some people, being environment-friendly holds no weight because they don't see any immediate problems directly impacting their day-to-day lives. They just can't see the repercussions in the future, but they are imminent. A very common misconception is that the Earth's problems are problems for the next few generations and not us. This is strictly wrong. In my opinion, there is current evidence studied by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA, that shows greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane, the two largest contributors to the heating of our Earth, is currently destroying our atmosphere. In their words, they actually say those gases are effectively thickening the Earth's blanket in real time. This is not a problem for the future because as more damage is done to our Earth, the chances of us reversing that damage diminish highly. So that means that the time to act is now. Now that we know why we should be eco-friendly, the next hurdle to tackle is how can I act on it? I'm no extremely dedicated environmentalist myself, so I'm not going to ask that everyone stops eating meat or ask that you sell your car and use public transportation or maybe even bike to work instead. If you do want to make those changes, that's up to you. I encourage it, but I don't expect it. I'm a strong believer in the small concept that someone just being conscious of their carbon footprints will in turn make a difference and reduce the amount of pollution that they emit. However, I'll leave you with a few of the most effective ways that can get you started on the eco-friendly path. They're actually quite simple. I'm sure you've heard of them before. I'm talking about reduce, reuse, and recycle. Alright, so reduce, reuse, recycle. We've all heard of this concept throughout our youth, but it rings true. If you want to make a noticeable change without noticeably changing your life, this is the way to do it. These are actually great examples given by the EPA, as I referenced earlier, to contribute to the Earth's cause by reducing the amount of waste production and overall pollution on Earth. Also, lucky for us, they're quite simple. First off, reduce. This just entails reducing the amount of waste that you produce. You can buy used products or fix broken ones instead of buying new ones. You can borrow items, or when you do have to purchase an item, you can purchase an item with less packaging. Less packaging is less waste, and less waste is less pollution to the Earth. Just being conscious of how much waste you produce will help, as I alluded to earlier. Second, reusing. The hard part of reusing is just finding the truly reusable items. And once you find them though, it's a piece of cake. You can reuse things like bags, clothes, bottles, plates, equipment, and many of these things are actually in our very own households. Lastly, recycling. Recycling is just a better alternative when it comes to trashing certain items. Finding items that you can recycle and throwing them in the designated blue bin, that's really all it is. Papers, batteries, plastics, glass, oils, and tires are all recyclable. And now that you know the items that you can recycle, really all you have to do is throw them in the right bin. Literally half the battle already won. Alright, so what we went over today. Today we went over what it entails to be eco-friendly. We went over why being eco-friendly is a good cause and how we can contribute to that cause by doing our part. The Earth has given life to all of us here, and the billions before us, so let's do our part in trying to return the favor by preserving Earth's life for as long as possible. Now that we have the tools in hand, all we have to do is make it a reality. Thank you guys.